So this is the new Safe Confinement building that has been constructed over Unit 4, or Reactor 4, here at the Chernobyl Nuclear Power Plant in the Ukraine. And of course Reactor 4 was the one that blew up so catastrophically in 1986, some 32 years ago. And this new building has been constructed over the top of the reactor so that eventually people here hope that they'll be able to use robotic cranes and robotic systems to perhaps take down the old concrete sarcophagus, which you can see over there to my left, and then potentially even take apart the old reactor and remove the radioactive material that's inside it. Some 5,000 tons of sand and boric acid and lead was dropped from helicopters into the reactor in the days following the accident, and that's combined with 200 tons of uranium in the core to create a kind of a mash, a radioactive mash that is still in there and will have to be disposed of somehow at some stage, but is extremely dangerous. So the idea was to create a safe confinement unit over the top of it all so that work could be carried out, and also to stop any further leakages of contaminated material into the environment. This is still a very dangerous place. I'm holding this camera at the moment because I can't put it down on the ground because of the potential risk of contamination. You'll see workers all around are wearing lots of protective gear. People are only allowed in here for restricted time periods. But it is an extraordinary structure financed by the European Bank for Reconstruction and Development.